What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Cynsation Locks, and I'm bringing you another set of seamlessly combined locks, so keep it locked for the process. So we're hopping right into things for this process on this client. We needed to do a quick sensational lock detox. It wasn't so much that he was suffering from buildup. It was actually that he was washing his hair and he wasn't allowing it to dry properly, which is actually not uncommon. A lot of people don't dry their hair well, and then you get that mildewy smell. So we needed to get that out of the way. Once we got that out of the way, then we hopped right into business, okay? So this video is not a tutorial. For anyone who hasn't seen my initial video where I detail exactly what I'm doing here, the tutorial, I'll link it above. I detail everything that I'm doing here in order to achieve the seamless lock combination. Like I said, if it ain't seamless, it ain't sensational. This video is basically just an overview of the process, and if you guys are interested in receiving this service by me, I want to go ahead and make it very clear. I have received thousands of emails, and I mean literally thousands of emails based on the first video where, again, I show my technique, and people are really interested in getting the look, and they really want to have their locks combined in this seamless fashion where you cannot tell that there used to be multiple locks into one, but they aren't willing to respect the time that it takes for me in particular to do this, and just, you know, the hard work, in particular the price that's associated with it. So I'll just make it clear, this is extremely time consuming, very labor intensive on my part, and my price reflects the quality of my work. If you aren't willing, and you know, if you got tailbone locks and you don't understand why my price is my price, then I may not be the you know, the hairstylist for you. I may not be the natural hairstylist for you. So you may need to find someone else, or you may want to, again, watch that tutorial. And there have been some people who have had success combining their locks on their own. I appreciate those people who've tagged me and let me know that they've used my technique, and I really like their results. And it is something that you can accomplish on your own. It's just, do you have that month to dedicate it to do if you're doing it yourself? If I am combining the locks, I am going to break the process up over a few days. I don't want to become fatigued, and I don't want you sitting. I would never, I don't like to have sessions longer than what would be a typical work day. So that's maybe 8 to 9 hours, including breaks. So for this client, we took him from 81 locks down to 38. 38 must be my magic number, 38 baby. But no, that's just how it came out. When we finished it, we did go ahead and dye it, because I know you guys saw that lint. I explained in my initial video how when we break up the lock and we distress it, it does bring out whatever is embedded within those locks, and then there's no point in picking it out. So the best thing to do, if you want, you know, for the aesthetics, is to go ahead and dye the hair. And again, this is simply for aesthetics. I know that people have other methods for combining locks. People twist them together, they sew it, they glue it, what have you. But if you are looking for that true seamless look, this is the way to achieve it. And if you're looking for me to do it, then understand that I won't compromise on my price. I have seen that some people have been able to successfully do this on their own using, you know, the instructions from my original video. It's not that it's necessarily a hard process, but it is very, very, very tedious, extremely time consuming, and you have to be pretty precise in what you're doing if you want it to be seamless. And again, there are other methods for combining locks, you know, but to me, stuck together does not mean combined. So you can thread it, you can rubber band it, you can even use the crochet needle without distressing it, and it's still going to look like there are multiple locks. So it's all in preference. I do appreciate everybody watching and you know, reaching out, and I appreciate all of those who have been able to learn from the technique, because that's why I put it out here. And if anybody is interested and they are really interested, serious inquiries only, please email me. I did want to mention that I will be doing a giveaway very, very soon. I'll be releasing details on how to enter for that soon, so make sure that you stay tuned and that you subscribe to the channel and that you tell a friend. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads as soon as I put them out there, and I will catch y'all in the next video.